Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening Clipchamp and creating a new project. Make sure you grant camera and microphone permissions when prompted so inputs are available. Choose your camera and mic from the device menu and set resolution to 720p or 1080p depending on quality versus file size. Once done, pick the correct aspect ratio, 16:9 for standard video, and place a track on the timeline so you can record directly into the project rather than importing later. Now focus on the recording process. Click Record and choose Screen, Camera, or Screen plus Camera mode. This controls what viewers see. Monitor your audio levels, aim for steady green peaks and avoid red clipping because clean audio saves time in editing. If you need, enable mic monitoring to hear input and toggle auto enhance or noise reduction to reduce background hiss. Make a short test clip to verify video framing and audio. It confirms settings before you record the full take. Finish by trimming and splitting your recording on the timeline, then add transitions, captions, and background music to improve flow and accessibility. When ready, export as MP4 and choose resolution and bitrate to balance quality and file size. Clipchamp shows an estimate so you can adjust. If recording fails or audio is missing, first verify app permissions, then update camera or audio drivers and restart Clipchamp. If problems persist, relaunch the browser or app and try a short.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.